Dental crowns are an everyday dental procedure that provides several benefits to patients. If you're contemplating the possibility of getting a dental crown or would like to learn more about the benefits that come with this method, you've arrived at the perfect location. In this clip, we'll look at the benefits of dental crowns and how they might be the ideal solution for your oral health. 1. Protection and support. One of the most important advantages of dental crowns are their capacity to shield and help strengthen and damaged tooth. Crowns are designed specifically to completely cover the area of a tooth, offering an additional shield and protection. This helps prevent any further injuries, including cracks or fractures. They also may strengthen teeth so that it can work normal. 2. Improved aesthetics. Another reason to consider dental crowns is the ability they provide to improve the look of your smile. Crowns can be constructed from different materials, which include ceramic, porcelain, as well as metal. They allow your dentist to create a shape and color that matches the appearance of the crown with the shape and color of your teeth. The crown can aid in restoring the appearance of worn or damaged teeth and enhance the overall appearance that your teeth have. 3. Longevity. Dental crowns provide a long-lasting treatment for weak or damaged teeth. When properly cared for and maintained, an individual dental crown could endure for years, giving you a strong and long-lasting solution to restore your dental health. They are built to endure the everyday wear and tear caused by eating and chatting, which makes they a safe and long-lasting option for issues with your teeth. 4. Restoration of function. If you've got an injured or weak tooth, it could be a challenge in chewing and speaking clearly. Dental crowns are a great way to restore the functions of teeth, which allows the user to chew and speak without a tense or uncomfortable feeling. Through covering and defending the affected tooth by a crown, it can bring back its strength and efficiency, as well as help maintain your dental health and well-being. 5. Prevention of further damage. Through covering and securing teeth that are damaged by covering it, dental crowns can assist in stopping the tooth from further decay or injury. Crowns serve as a protection against harmful bacteria as well as food waste, thus reducing the possibility of tooth decay or even infections. It can aid in maintaining your health and the condition of your natural teeth and reduce the necessity for further dental procedures in the future. The bottom line is that dental crowns can provide many benefits to patients looking to improve their oral health and enhance the look of their smile. They offer protection, support, and increased aesthetics and durability. Crowns offer a long-lasting and lasting solution for tooth damage or weakening. If you're contemplating the possibility of a dental crown, speak to your dentist to find out if this procedure is the best option for you.